In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I successfully installed Android 16 on my Moto Edge 40, which runs on a MediaTek processor. Despite the lack of XDA support and no custom ROM specifically built for this device, I managed to get Android 16 working using a GSI installation. Now let's be honest, Moto has been pretty lazy with updates. My phone's latest official version is still Android 14, even though Android 16 is already out. That's why I took matters into my own hands. The result? A smooth and clean experience that feels like stock Android 16 right out of the box. No bloatware, nothing extra, just pure Android. So that's the intro. Now let's get started. First, I'll explain what GSI is, and then we'll walk through the complete installation process, step by step. GSI Generic System Image represents an unmodified version of the Android open source project created by Google. It's engineered to function on any device supporting Project Treble, providing a standardized implementation of Android without manufacturer customizations or proprietary software layers. First, download the Treble Info application from the link provided in the description. Launch the application and check for the confirmation message your device reports supporting Project Treble. This verification is crucial. If your device doesn't support Project Treble, you cannot proceed with GSI installation. Most contemporary smartphones released after August 2017 include Project Treble support, as Google mandated this architecture for all devices launching with Android 8 Oreo or later. While I'm using the Moto Edge 40 for demonstration, this methodology applies to various manufacturers including OnePlus, Samsung, and Xiaomi devices that support Project Treble. As demonstrated, my device currently runs Android 14, the latest official release available for this model. An essential prerequisite for GSI installation is an unlocked bootloader. I've created comprehensive guides for unlocking Motorola bootloaders available in the video description. In this demonstration, my device's bootloader is already unlocked, allowing us to proceed directly to the installation process. Return to the Treble Info application and select System Images. This redirects to a GitHub repository containing various GSI builds. You'll discover multiple options categorized as official or unofficial, spanning different Android versions including 16, 15, 14, and potentially newer releases, depending on when you're viewing this tutorial. While downloading your GSI, prioritize builds with GMS Google Mobile Services integration. Without GMS, your device will lack Google Play Store access and essential Google applications. For this demonstration, I'm downloading the official Android 16 GSI with GMS components. After downloading, transfer the GSI file to your computer. Installing a GSI can void your warranty, wipe your data, or even brick your device if done incorrectly. Please proceed at your own risk. Make sure to back up your data and double-check your device's compatibility before starting. I am not responsible for any damage or issues caused. I transferred my GSI file, and it is an archive, so we have to extract the archive to access its contents. The extraction will reveal multiple files, notably system.image and VB meta files. Our primary focus is system file. The core file will flash to the device. In certain scenarios where boot issues arise, we may need to additionally flash the VB meta file, though this is typically unnecessary for most implementations. To flash GSI on your phone, you'll need Android platform tools and USB drivers installed on your PC. These are available for both macOS and Windows. I've already installed these tools on my system. With everything installed, open your terminal or command prompt and type ADB devices to verify your device is properly connected. Make sure USB debugging is enabled in your device's developer options. If you see a serial number displayed, your device is successfully connected to the PC. Now type AD reboot bootloader to boot your device into fast boot mode. While you can flash the GSI from standard fast boot mode, some devices restrict system partition rights in this mode. To overcome this limitation, type fastboot reboot fastboot, which will boot your device into fastboot D mode. Once in Fastboot D mode, our first step would typically be to erase user data with the fastboot-w command. However, as you can see, Fastboot D mode doesn't support this command on this device. Don't worry, we'll handle this after flashing the GSI. Now type fast boot erase system to wipe your stock ROM. After the system partition is erased, type fast boot flash system and drag and drop your system.image file into the terminal window. Press Enter to execute the command. If you encounter this error, this is actually quite common when flashing system images. To resolve this, use the following command. Now you can flash the system image using the earlier command. As you can see, the system is now flashing onto my device. This process typically takes several minutes to complete, so I'm fast-forwarding this portion of the video. After about 5 minutes, the system has been successfully flashed to our device. Don't reboot yet. We need to perform one more critical step. Reboot your device into standard Fastboot mode. I'm using the Fastboot D menu option, but if your Fastboot D mode doesn't have this option, use the Fastboot Reboot bootloader command. Once you're back in Fastboot mode, type fastboot-w to erase your user data. This step is essential to prevent boot loops and ensure a clean installation. After the data wipe completes, power on your phone. If your Fastboot mode doesn't show a restart option, type fastboot reboot to restart your device. The first boot may take significantly longer than usual as the system configures itself. Once the boot process completes, proceed with the initial device setup. And there you have it. Your device is now successfully running Android 16 via GSI. Before we wrap up, just a quick reminder. While installing a GSI can breathe new life into your device, it also comes with risks. You might run into bugs, broken features, or even a soft brick if things go wrong. Make sure you understand the process fully and back up your data before attempting anything. Stay safe and happy flashing! That concludes this tutorial on installing Android 16 GSI. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more in-depth technical content. All the necessary download links mentioned in this tutorial are available in the video description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.